Welcome students. I am a class teacher of UKG. Subject Math. Topic Big to Small. Students, today we will discuss about big to small. Start now.
Big to small. Big, small, smaller, smallest. Let us count the number of balloons in each bunch. 3, 10, 6. Let us rearrange these bunches of balloons from big to small. The bunch with more balloons will come first and the bunch with less balloons will come last. 10, 6, 3. You all, I am sure you all can read the first word. Big. That's right. Do you know what we're going to learn today? We are going to learn how to arrange the numbers which are big to numbers which are small. So, first, what do you mean by small and big? They tell you the size of any object or an animal or a person. Let's take each one and understand or differentiate between small and big. Okay? Now, in front of me, I have a small ball, a tennis ball, and I also have a big basketball. So, the tennis ball is small and the basketball is big. Okay? In front of you, can you see your mama or papa? Then they are big and you're small. Have you seen a huge elephant? A big elephant? Have you seen a small cat? So, the cat is small and the elephant is big. So, visualize small and big. Okay? So, whenever we compare the size of the objects, we say big, small, smaller or smallest. Why so? Let me tell you the meanings of these words, smaller and smallest. You already know what are big and small, correct? You remember? I said let's take the animals. Okay? So I said big, what? Elephant. And then I told you small cat. Okay? Now, can you give me an animal that is even small than the cat? Now, if cat is big, give me a small animal. Cat is big. Small animal. Let's take the example of a rabbit. Rabbit is small and cat is big. So, when you have three animals now, for example, you have the elephant that is big, then I told you cat which is small, then now I'm also telling you rabbit. So, rabbit is smaller than the cat. It is small, but it is also smaller than the cat. Now, rabbit has become even smaller. Now, can you give me another small animal if rabbit is big? Now think, I tell you rabbit is a big animal. Now give me a small animal. A rat. Very good. So imagine, close your eyes and imagine the animals. Okay? First, you have a big elephant. Then, you have the cat. Then, you have the rabbit. Then, you have the rat. So, did you see? It became from big to smallest. Okay, so this is small, 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 small. Okay, don't worry, we will learn more. But first, you go and see this animation video and come back to me. Okay? Did you understand well, children? Not to worry, I will tell you again and let's have some fun with big, small, smaller and smallest numbers. But before we go to numbers, let's see how do we compare the sizes. Did you see that huge watermelon? Isn't that big? Yummy, yummy. You all love to eat the watermelon, don't you? It's green outside, but what is the color inside when you cut it? Red in color. So this huge watermelon is big. Now let's see what's going to come next. Oh, another yummy fruit. A mango. It's a summer fruit. We can't get it every time. But nowadays, we're getting watermelon. Can you get mangoes in rainy season? No. So see children, the mango is smaller than the watermelon. So watermelon is big and the mango is small. Let's see what's next. Apple. Did you see the size of the apple is smaller than the mango? It's also smaller than the watermelon. Compare, is mango smaller than the watermelon or is the apple smaller? Apple is more smaller. It is even smaller than the mango. Correct? So, first the watermelon is big, then the size of the mango is small. The size of the apple is smaller. It is even smaller than the watermelon. It is small than the mango. Can you guess what is the next fruit? The little tiny cherry. Did you see how tiny it is? And that is why the cherry is the smallest fruit of all these four fruits. See, you can get a smaller cherry also, but I am telling you to see only these four fruits. If you have to arrange the watermelon, mango, apple and cherry, this is how you will arrange if I tell you. Arrange from big to small. Now, pause me here, stop me here, go to your fridge, open the fridge and select a big vegetable or a fruit, then a little smaller vegetable or fruit than the big vegetable and arrange them as we arrange the watermelon, mango, apple and cherry. Okay? So watermelon is big, the mango is small, the apple is smaller than the mango and the cherry is the smallest of all. Now look at that. Oh my goodness, so many grapes and that's why it's a big bunch. Somebody ate away some grapes. That's why it became less. So it is small bunch. Look at that. There is somebody eating my grapes. It became even less and it became small. Means it is even smaller than the previous bunch. And the last one. See, I am only left with 6 grapes now. I will eat them away. Otherwise somebody else will eat them. So children, see here again. The first bunch has more grapes, correct? That's why it is a big bunch. The next bunch, somebody ate away a few grapes. So I have a small bunch. In the next one, shall we count the number of grapes in the second bunch? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There are 13 grapes in the small bunch. Let's count how many grapes are there in the smaller bunch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Somebody ate away 3 grapes. So 13 is a small bunch. 10 is a smaller bunch. And the smallest bunch has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 grapes. Did you see, children? As the number becomes less, it becomes small, smaller and smallest. Clear, children? Now, let's see this. We have a peacock which is big because it's displaying its plumage. Do you know when the peacock dances and opens all its beautiful colored feathers? That is called a plumage. Okay. Then we have this eagle. The eagle is a bird that flies high in the sky, but it is small than the peacock. Then we have a parrot that is smaller than the peacock and smaller than the eagle also. Guess what is the smallest bird? You're right, the sparrow. The kiki bird is the smallest of the peacock, eagle, parrot and sparrow. Imagine all of these four are friends and they keep playing, and suddenly their teacher comes and says, "Oh, my little birds, arrange yourselves in an order from big to the smallest, quickly." What will they do? First, the peacock will go and stand and open its plumage because it is big. Then behind the peacock, who will stand? The eagle, because it is small than the peacock, but it is bigger than the parrot. Yes or no? Correct. Then the parrot will come. It will keep talking. "Hello, I am the third one. I am smaller than the eagle and the peacock." And finally, the sparrow will come and say, "Hi, I am the tiniest bird. I am the smallest bird of you all. I will stand at the back." Okay. Then the teacher will look and say, so the peacock is big, the eagle is small, the parrot is smaller, and the sparrow is the smallest. Excellent, birds. Go and play again. Now, let's count the flowers in each bunch. This has 1, 2 and 3. Then this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This has 4 and this has 1. Okay, so here, can you guess what we have to do? Observe the picture carefully, children. See what is the bunch that has more flowers than all the 4 bunches? The 7 flowers. Correct. Then after that, keep the 7 aside. First, push the 7 first, like the peacock. The big one will come first. Then after that, compare. You have 4, then you have 3, then you have 1. Which is more than in 4, 3 and 1? 4. So after 7, you will write 4. Why? Because it is small than 7 but big than 3 and 1. Then what is the next bunch you have? 3 and 1. Which has more flowers? 3. So after 4, you will write 3 now. Why? Because it is smaller than 4 and smaller than 7 also. But it is bigger than 1. And which is the last one? Which is the smallest one? Number 1. Shall we see how they will go and arrange themselves nicely? First came 7, then came 4, then 3 is dancing and coming, and at the end came 1. So, when you arrange the numbers from big to small, this is how you will arrange. Big is 7, smallest is 1. The number that is smaller than 7 and bigger than 3 is 4. So that's why 4 came after 7. Then 3 and then 1. Okay? So big, 4 is small, 3 is smaller and 1 is the smallest. Let's count the bananas. How many of you love bananas? I like them. I eat a banana every day in the morning. You also should eat it, okay? Because it's very, very healthy. Now see children, we have 3, 6, 5 and 2 bananas on the screen. Shall we see how they will get arranged? First 6, then 5, you're right, then 3, excellent, and last is 2. Very good. Did you all understand, children? The way you have to arrange the numbers from big to small? Very nice. So 6 is big, 5 is small, 3 is smaller, and 2 is the smallest. Clear? Now let's see. Ooh, it's our favorite. Ice cream cones of chocolate, vanilla and strawberry. Let's see how many cones do we have? 6, 4, 3 and 2. Now what will come first? First tell me, have they been arranged already in the correct order of big to small? Yes, of course. 6 comes first, 4 comes next, 3 comes after 4 because it is smaller than 4, and then last will be 2. Okay? So big, small, smaller and smallest. Now come on children, let's play. Okay? Now close your eyes first and imagine all the figures that I showed you from big to smallest. Then think of the numbers that I taught you. The roses and the bananas which were more in a bunch came first because they were small, big. Last was the bunch that had small. Okay, now ready? I will show you the actions. When it is big, you have to open your palm, open your hand and show me like this. If it's small, turn your fingers like you show, no? I don't know. How do you show? I don't know. You turn your fingers, don't you? So for small, you'll turn your fingers. It's also a nice dance pose, you know. Then for smaller, you will bring your pointer finger and your thumb finger closer to you. Okay? Do you remember the rhyme? Thumbkin? Remember it. And if it is smallest, you will put your pointer finger and thumb finger touching each other. Clear? Big is open hand, small is dance pose, smaller is get your pointer and thumb closer to each other, and smallest is touch them. So, what you have to do is, I will show you 4 numbers on the screen. Okay? And one number will become big and come to you near the screen. It will be highlighted. You have to show me the action for that particular number in that set. Did you understand? So here we go. 3, 5, 6 and 1 are the numbers. Now let's see which number becomes big. Oh, number 1. So decide children. Look at 1 and look at the other 3 numbers. Is 1 bigger than any of the number? No. 1 is the smallest. So you will touch your pointer and thumb. Good job. Next came 5. So now you decide. 1 is over. Forget about 1. Now all you have to do is big, small or smaller. Now first children tell me which is the big number in this? 6. So what is the number that is small than 6? 5. Correct? So 5 is small. So you will do the dance pose. Excellent. And then is 6. 6 is a big number. So show me your hand. Open it and show. Last is 3. So what will you show? Smaller. Bring your pointer and thumb close to each other but don't touch. So if you have to arrange these numbers, first will be 6, then will be 5, then will be 3 and at last will be 1. Ready for the next one? Now let's see which one is becoming big. 2. So is 2 big than anything else? No. So again the smallest. Then 7. Oh, so is 7 big than 4? Yes, 7 is also? No. So 7 is small. So dance pose. Next is 4. 4 is bigger than 2 but smaller than 7. So pointer and thumb close to each other. Then 10. Open your palm and show me because it's big. So if you have to arrange them in an order from big to the smallest, what will you do? 10, then 7, then 4, and then 2. The next set. What's getting bigger now? Ooh, 9 is looking at us and laughing. What will you show? Big. Then comes 5. Smaller. Then comes 3. Smallest. And lastly, the 8 showing its tongue. It is small because it's just before 9. So if you have to arrange these numbers from big to smallest, first will be 9, then will be 8, then will be 5, and then will be 3. Isn't this wonderful? Wasn't this very, very easy, children? Even if it is 4 or wonderful? Wasn't this very, very easy, children? Even if it is 4 or even if it is 5 or even if it is 3, the process is the same. So, remember, when you arrange the numbers from big to small, first decide the biggest number of all of them and write them first. Then decide what is the smaller number. Then smaller, 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 and the smallest at the end. Okay? So,
Students, I hope you all have understood topic. Students, homework. Complete the activity given in page number 52 and 53 of the activity book. Then practice book page number 46. Thank you.